Hey guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to install Java in Visual Studio Code. So pretty much the way we do this and what this comes down to is you just need to install it first. So for example, if you try and run some kind of command, some kind of code inside of VS Code and you don't have it installed, of course you won't be able to execute that command and that code because it's missing. So just navigate to your browser and type in JDK download. Go to Java Downloads. After that, go to Windows and download the x64 installer. Alright, it's downloading for me now. And then just go ahead and run it. Just install it. Okay, next. Let us just install this. Okay, now as you can see, the development kit for Java is successfully installed. Close. And now guys, a small tip. Also make sure to restart your VS Code after you install Java, okay? Otherwise you won't be able to run anything. So just close it down and then just launch it again. Okay, so now you should be able to open anything up and you should have an ability to run any code that uses Java. Enjoy. If this helped, don't forget to support us with a thumbs up and of course subscribe.